What's going on YouTube? Welcome back in for another tutorial. So today I want to talk about doing wraps without doing much or any disassembly. So some of the things you're going to need to do this is going to be blue tape. This is going to allow the wrap to basically not stick to the opposing edge whenever you're trying to tuck it into cracks. Next thing you're going to need is a tucking tool that is about as skinny as a quarter. Now, when I'm looking at these panel gaps and I'm trying to figure out if I could do a install without having to do any disassembly, I normally see if 2/4 could fit in the crack, and that's going to be with me pushing or pulling on the bumper to try to widen the gap as much as possible. And if I'm able to do that, then I know I could do an install. Now, when it comes down to cars that are, let's say, white or maybe yellow or orange, that's going to be a little different. You may have to undo some bolts to get a bigger gap. And then when it comes to cars that are like black or it's like a dark color vehicle, those are going to be a little bit more forgiving just because they're darker in the cracks and you're not going to be able to see like really small mistakes, or if you don't get absolutely 100% coverage, you might still be good because it's just dark in the cracks. Now, this is the 4-step approach that I use every time I do this type of install to make sure that I get no peel back or I don't have any color showing at the end of the install or even down the road. So the first thing you're going to want to do is squeegee all the way up to the crack. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is to go ahead and heat the vinyl. We want to shrink it a little bit or just get the shrinkage out of the way before we actually go into tucking it into the crack. And then once we get it tucked into the crack, we could go ahead and cut and then heat it one more time. Just go ahead and post heat it in the crack. And from there, you're going to be able to see if you have any peeling, if you have any shrinkage or any color showing. And that's going to be the best approach for longevity and just making sure that your job comes out as clean as possible. As you can see, this process works even with fender flares. And you can see right here that I am using that blue tape. It comes off of the blue tape super easy. I'm able to tuck into that crack without the vinyl ripping, without it getting bunched up and stuck on the opposing panel because the blue tape is there. And like we said, the next step is to go ahead and make your cut. And when you're cutting, you want to make sure that you're cutting still against the opposite panel. That way you do have a little bit of vinyl left over to be able to go ahead and tuck it in and roll it all the way over that edge so that you have no color showing later. And then you just want to go back and hit it again with the post heat to make sure everything is locked down and is going to be good to go. Now, the only thing disassembled on this car was door handles and mirrors, and the roof rack was taken off, which made it a very easy job to do. If you want more videos like this, then go ahead and subscribe. Comment in the comments what you want to see next, and I'll be sure to get that posted for you guys. Till next time.